Hello crafty friends, I have an unusual haul today to share with you. So normally I would be sharing a crafty type of haul with you, but today I'm sharing Bath and Body Works. Okay guys, I have not ordered from why am I saying Bathy? What the heck? Oh my goodness, Bath and Body Works in forever. And so I thought I would share with you guys, since fall is coming up and Halloween is coming up, kind of like what I ordered, what they had. They had a really good deal. And so I went ahead and ordered a bunch of things. So let me go ahead and cut this open. I just cut off my shipping information. Okay. So hold on. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to just pull them out one by one. Oh my goodness. They like packed this full. I don't remember ordering that much. What? Okay. I guess I did. I went cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Okay. So the first thing I ordered was a light up plug. Oh, I might save this. Although it is kind of sticky. I do not like sticky stuff. Okay. Guys, these are half off. Well, they were half off, okay, when I ordered this last week sometime, and this was the only one that was available online except for the Maleficent one, and so I went ahead and got that one. So this one was basically almost $8, something like that. So anyway, it was so cute. I just love it. I will plug it in at some point so I can see how it looks, but I don't have very many wallflower plugins, and I thought, well, if this is half off, I'll go ahead and get one of these, right? And then I ordered this really super cute, what is it, the antibacterial gels or whatever, and I just thought this would be really fun for the Halloween season. And again, I think this was half off too, so this was like $5, so I was like, oh, that's super cute. Let's see what else I got here. Now I don't know what any of these smell like, okay? So this one's called Ghoul Friend, and let me see, does it say what the scents are? The fragrance notes are dark strawberries, ghostly peony, and spine-chilling citrus. All right, let's see what this smells like. Oh, it smells pretty good. It is very, this is a heavy scent to me, okay? What I mean by heavy, it's very, very fruity and floral, okay? And it's just a thick scent. That's how I describe it, okay? I don't normally buy scents that are that heavy, but my daughter went to Bath and Body Works and because she has one very close to her in town, like right next door. And I was like, girl, tell me what they all smell like. The next one is called Ice Cream Float. I love this little cover on here. I kind of wish it wasn't all like scratched up, but you know, what can I get? I think it was half off. The fragrance notes are fizzing cola, frightful vanilla float, and spooky sugars. So let's see how this one smells. She said this one smelled really good too. So let's see. Oh, this one definitely smells good. This one, I don't even know how to describe what it smells like, but it smells good. I can say that. Okay. And then the next one is, because I have 3 rooms, and I ordered all Halloween scents for these, right? Was Candy Apple Cauldron, and the scent in this one is Mysterious Green Apple, Simmering Sugar, and Crystallized Bergamot. Now, I love candy apple and I love bergamot, so, or green apple actually. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, this one smells, oh my goodness. I definitely smell the green apple. Wait a second, let me smell it again. Sorry guys, hold on. I definitely smell the green apple and some sort of, I don't know. Oops, it's foaming. Yucks. Uh-oh. Well, now I can smell it on my hand. Well, what's funny is I can't smell it on my hand. That's weird. Yeah, I don't smell it. Okay, well, I'm going to keep this one sitting up since I messed that up, but I just love the cuteness of these. Let's see what else I got. Okay, so then they had, I'm sorry, I'm like talking downwards. They had the wallflowers for $2.95. So I was like, heck yeah. So I ordered a bunch of those. Let me see. Let me grab as many as I can. I think some of them I ordered doubles of. Okay, so let's go with the ice cream float. Let's see if this smells any different, right? Oh, they're all sealed. Dag nabbit. Why do they do that? I guess so people don't open them, maybe? I don't know. That's the weirdest thing. Oh, there we go. Okay, sorry. I'll just stick this back on so I know, because they don't have it on here, and they don't even put it on the bottom. Gosh, if you lose this piece, you're screwed. You don't know what it is. Okay. I just want to see if this smells the same. I'm sorry, I'm opening it the wrong way. I remember. Yeah, this one still smells good. Okay, so ice cream float. I don't even know how to describe the scent. I would say that it definitely smells like Coca-Cola. Like a vanilla Coca-Cola, if that's the way to put it. This one is whipped honey vanilla. Whipped honey and vanilla. Let's see if this one. I love, there was one by Glade that was milk and honey. And oh my gosh, it smelled so good. Oh, this one smells really good. It's a nice, clean, fresh scent. Definitely has that vanilla and honey. Definitely a perfect mixture. It isn't too heavy on either one. Beautiful. Like this reminds me of like something I would use in a baby's room. But not powdery, right? It does kind of feel like a powdery scent, but I don't know how to describe it. But it's a good one. This one is called Pumpkin Apple, and I did order 2 of these, so I'll leave that one over there. Oh yeah, this smells definitely like apple. A little bit of pumpkin, but more apple, if I could say anything. I don't know if y'all remember, like back in the day, their first scent was apple, and how I busted this. So there you go. Now, the next one I ordered is pecan waffles, and my daughter also said this one smelled really good, and so I was like, yeah, I definitely want to get this one. There were several that I wanted that they were out of already, so. But I have like 2 wallflowers in my whole house, just 2. Okay, so we'll have to see here. Oh yeah, yeah, this one definitely smells more like waffles, and she did say that. So pumpkin, oh, this one's pumpkin pecan waffle. Yep, definitely, love it. I mean, if you kind of like that cake smell or something like that, not really cake, I'm not going to describe it as that. Definitely the waffle smell, you'll love it. This one, I was really super excited. And do you remember back in the day, in the 80s, we had these scratch and sniff stickers that smell like leaves. I'm kind of hoping that this is what sweater weather smells like. And I'm trying to think, there was another company that had sweater weather that I belonged to. Gosh, oh, I don't know. I can't believe I can't remember the name of it, but they sold soaps and lotions and stuff like that, and they were like really big for a while, and then they kind of stopped. I don't know what happened, but anyway. Let's see this one. No, it doesn't smell like leaves at all. I'm not sure I really like this scent that much. It's okay. It smells like wine. That's the way I'm going to put it. Like some sort of fruity wine. Let's see what's in here. Does it say? If it does, this writing is so little. Yeah, it doesn't say. It just says fresh and clean. Okay, and then, now Mia told me this one smells really good. This one is warm and woodsy. This one's called Hostess with the Mostest. So, who knows? Maybe this will be like my leaf smell. I don't know. Here we go. It smells really good. It smells almost like cookies and I don't know. I don't know. It smells like cookies. It smells really good. I do know that. So, but what the scent is, I am not sure. Oh goodness, this thing's like, yeah, it spilled a little bit out, but it smells really good. I just can't describe what it is. Almost kind of like cookies and something. Anyway, guys, hopefully that was somewhat helpful if you decide to go to Bath & Body Works. I think I'm going to get some candles the next time they have a big sale. I definitely know that I want to get, if they still have the pumpkin pecan waffles, I'll get that. I'll definitely get Hostess with the Mostest for a candle. Pumpkin apple, no, probably not. Sweater weather, probably not. But yeah, definitely I love the pumpkin pecan waffles and the ice cream float. Hostess with the Mostest. Oh, and I will definitely get this one. Whipped honey vanilla. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. And I had, oh, one more thing I forgot to tell you. I did get one of these. So these were on sale for like $1.95. And why I only got one, it's because a lot of the scents that I wanted were out. And this one's called Sunshine Lemons. Let me see how this one. Yeah, I mean, it's your typical lemon scent. I don't know about the sunshine part of it, but yeah, it's sorry, it's a little strong, but it does have that alcohol-y smell. So anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I'll be seeing you all soon. Actually, you're going to be seeing me tomorrow, maybe. Anyway, bye.